Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy spaghetti cooked in garlic and oil. The ingredients that we're going to need today are thin spaghetti. We're going to need butter. I'm using adobo all-purpose seasoning, but you can use the seasoning of your choice. Garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, canola oil, and grated parmesan cheese. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is put a half a pot of water on to boil. I did not add any oil or any salt to this. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add half of the box of this thin spaghetti. We're going to let this spaghetti cook for 10 minutes. Okay guys, next we're going to need 1/3 cup of the canola oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of your all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Okay, once your pasta is done cooking, all we're going to do now is drain it. Okay, next in the saucepan, all we're going to do is add our 1/3 cup of the canola oil, and we're going to let that heat up. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our tablespoon of butter, and we're just going to move it around until it melts in with our oil. And we're using salted butter. Just going to let that melt down. Once that's melted, we're now going to start to add our spaghetti in. And all you want to do is mix your spaghetti around until it's nicely coated. And we're just going to lower the heat down to medium low. Make sure you get your spaghetti nicely coated. Next, we're going to add in our all-purpose seasoning. You're going to add in your onion powder, and also your garlic powder. And all we're going to do is mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, next we're going to add in our ground black pepper. We're also going to mix that in. Okay guys, and finally we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle some Parmesan cheese over top. We're also going to go and mix that in. At this time, turn your heat off. go in with a little bit more. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our spaghetti with garlic and oil. It's simple and easy to make, and it's full of flavor. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.